Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll talk about Prettier and we'll see how to use it in Visual Studio Code, and also we'll see the benefit of using Prettier, and then we'll also talk about having a configuration file for Prettier RC and we'll see why exactly it is used. So first we'll go and install it. So I'll go to my add-on section over here and type Prettier. Hit enter. You can see the first one, that is Prettier code formatter. I'll click on this and click on install. It is installing, and yes, it is enabled over here as well. Now we have to make the setting enabled for this. So for this I'll go to my code preference settings and I will type format, that is default formatter, and I will select Prettier over here. So you can see somewhere here it should be there, that is, this is it, prettier.vs code. And then we'll also do something, that is format on save. So I will just check this checkbox and yes, we are done. So now we have installed Prettier over here, and also we have made all the settings that is required to install Prettier in a Visual Studio Code. Now let's go to my Chrome browser and see what exactly Prettier is. Type Prettier, click on this first link, and you can see the first page itself, it says an opinionated code formatter. So what does that mean? It means like this particular plugin has its own opinion about the code that you're writing. So it's not writing any logic for you, it's only formatting your code. So you can write a line of code according to your convenience, right? You can add spaces, you can have semicolon in between, you can have single quotes also by writing a code. So there are multiple things that you can do on your behalf when you're writing a code on yourself. So Prettier has its own opinion that you should write a code in a particular format. So for that things only Prettier is used, and it also very important because if you have this plugin installed, then if I'm using the same plugin, then both of our code will look almost the same because we're using the same Prettier add-on tool. So now I'll go back here and show you the difference. So let's say I want to type something like a constant variable. I will create and I will say my name, and I will say Gaganpreet, right? So you can write it single quotes, you can write it double quotes, you can write anything. Now once I click on save, you can see the single quotes has been moved to double quotes. Let me zoom in and show you again. So let's say if I change it again to single quotes. So now what is happening here is, like, since Prettier is already installed and we have made the setting that is format on save, so whenever we save, this particular line will be, or this file will be formatted, and Prettier will make its own decision using its own opinion. And as per Prettier, it says like single quotes are not good, so they will be changed to double quotes. So if I save it, and you can see yes, it has been changed. So this is one way of seeing how Prettier actually works in a Visual Studio Code, and it is often very important for us because it helps sometimes to make correct decision, and it also formats your code and it is as per standard that is used across. But sometimes you want to change it also, right? So now if let's say I want to use the single quotes over here for this case, and I don't want to use double quotes. So in this case, there is one more way of doing it, is by creating a one file over here. So I'll just create one more file and show how exactly it is done. So I will create one more file and I will name it as Prettier RC, save it, create curly braces, and I will say code props, and before that I'll go to this documentation and I'll go to configuration options, and you can find somewhere quotes over here. So this is the section over here, use single quotes instead of double quotes. So we have to give a particular method over here. So for this we have to use single quote. So I'll just go back here and I will say single quote, and over here we have to either give a boolean or we have to give a true or a false in boolean. So I will go back here, and now by default it is false. So if it is false, then there will be no change here. So I'll just save it and I'll go back to my code again over here, and I'll just provide my single quotes here, save it. You can see again it is getting changed to double quotes. Now if I provide a true over here, save it here, go back here, and again if I do save, you can see it's not getting changed. So now what is happening is we are telling the Prettier tool that if in case you are having a single quote that is coming up here, then don't change it double quote. So we are providing this particular value over here. Similar to this, you can do multiple things over here. So for instance, if you see, you can write something like, let's say, constant multiple spaces, my age, and I will say 10. Once you click on save, it will format it again. So this is a way of seeing how Prettier actually works. If you provide multiple spaces here, you will save it, it will again do all these changes. So there are multiple ways in which Prettier helps. So if you can just go back and read the document over here, it will give you a lot of details about bracket spacing, you have semicolons, there are multiple tabs. So whichever is used for you, you can just use the same value from here, and you can provide accordingly in the particular Prettier RC file, and you can use this directly over here. So in common, Prettier is used a lot, and I'm using it on day-to-day basis. I will recommend you all to please use it, and also it will help you all to do a better and a clean coding when you're doing it on a day-to-day basis. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.